Hi and welcome to Showstars classes. Today we are going to be doing some very important question on the solo model. You can WhatsApp or call us at the number given on the screen for any doubts, queries or for full videos on our courses. Let's see the question. Thus we have the following question. We have the solo growth model in continuous time where the exogenous rate of technological process G is 0 and we consider intensive form of production where K is equals to K by L. Now read this following three questions because we'll be solving all the three in just one go. Now the fundamental differential equation of solo model is k dot equals to sfk minus del plus n k. Now in the steady state, which I am going to mention as SS, k dot is equals to 0. Now sfk is greater than del plus n k, then k increases, and this is let this be case 1, and if this is the case 2, that sfk is less than del plus n, let's put this in a bracket, k, then k decreases. Let us plot sfk, or rather k equals sk into k minus 1 into k minus 2 into k minus 3 minus del plus n into k. We can easily see that one steady state over here can be written as k naught equals to 0. The other steady state where k is not equals to 0 can be obtained by plotting. Now the steady state is obtained by plotting gk equals to k dot by k, or sk minus 1 into k minus 2, k minus 3 minus del plus n, and observing where gk equals to 0. Now let us plot the graph. Now this graph shows that there are more steady states now for n and delta sufficiently small. There are k1 equals to 1, k2 equals to 2, k3 equals to 3, and also for k less than k1 less than gk less than 0, and therefore k dot is less than 0. Thus sfk less than del plus n into k, thus k decreases. Therefore k1 is not locally stable. Note, k naught is equals to 0 and is locally stable. Similarly, we check it for k2 and k3. I leave this small exercise for you so that you can be more thorough with your theorems. Thus but I'll tell you the answer, that k2 will be stable among them. Thus among 4 steady states, that is k0, k1, k2, k3, 2 are locally stable, that is k0 and k2. That was the end of another great question. We'll be back with more such questions. Please stay tuned. Please like, subscribe and click on the notification icon. You can WhatsApp call us for our full videos on our different courses. Thank you for being a part of Showsters classes. Have a nice day.